No. Hi. Come here. Come here. Come to me. Come to me. Walk to me. Aww. You silly. Ooh. Remy Joe. Boogaboo, boogadoo. Ew. Oh, you fell. Get up. You get up. Wow, whoa. Silly girl. Silly. Woo. Hi. What happened, John? Oh, you want to win all the trials first? Booger butt.
Sometimes it opens up things.
Ooh, maybe like a new car. Like, I would like that. She just popped in my legs. Hi, you. Hi, you. High five. High five. High five. Give me a high five. A good high five. Damn it. Oh. Crap. She wants Remy. Oh, you're trapped. That was funny. Oh, stop it. Pretty, stop it, lad. Pretty, that's for you, isn't it? Shake your booty. Shake your booty one more time. Shake your booty. Isn't that right? Oh, God, Remy. I should wipe your boogers off again. Oh, yummy boogers. I'll get there soon. No, that's my foot. It tickles. It tickles me. Stop. She like do it on purpose. Stop. I'm gonna get you little butt, you little finger. Stop it! Stop! Remy, I'm gonna kick your butt. Touch it. See what happens. Touch it. Yeah, this is stop! I know, I hate when she touches you because it tickles like crazy, dude. I don't know what to laugh at more, her face or this. It tickles, actually. Ah! Oh!